Flying off the shelf once again, it's the continuing, daring, and dangling adventures of Cliffhanger! Today's adventure, episode 800, Cliffhanger and the Sneezing Zebu.
Cliffhanger, hanging from a cliff, and that's why he's called Cliffhanger.
Excuse me! Excuse me!
We find Cliffhanger where we left him last, hanging from a cliff.
Can't hold on much longer.
Suddenly, Cliff hears a loud sneeze.
Gesundheit!
Thank you. By the way, I'm a Zebu.
What's a Zebu?
A kind of bull that comes from Asia. As you can see, I have long, snazzy-looking horns. Cliff reaches into his backpack and extracts his survival manual. Using his amazing decoding skills, Cliff begins to read.
If you see a Zebu with very long horns, ask him to lower his head. Then, grab onto his horns and get him to pull you up to safety. Hey, Mr. Zebu, how's about lowering your head so I can grab onto your horns and then pulling me up to safety?
My pleasure.
Gesundheit! Mr. Zebu, what can I do to return the favor?
Well, a hanky might be nice.
Zounds, I happen to have one in my zippered pocket right here.
A red hanky? For a bull? Are you crazy?
And that's why he's called Cliffhanger.
Can't hold on much longer.